Hi, my name is Mike Coleman. I'm a developer advocate on the Lightsail team here at Amazon Web Services. And today I'm going to take you through a video that shows you some of the capabilities of Amazon Lightsail. But before we get started, I just wanted to let you know that you don't have to try to do everything at the same time that I'm doing it on the screen. We've got a written guide in the description below that you can go and download, and then after the video, you can go try it all on your own. So let's get started. In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can create a Windows-based instance on Amazon Lightsail. So I'm starting here on the Lightsail homepage, and I'm going to click Create Instance, and that's going to bring me to the instance creation page. And the first thing I'm going to do is choose where I want to run my instance. So I'll come up here, I'll click this link, and you can see there's a bunch of regions all across the globe. You should pick a region that's close to you or your customers. For me, that would be Oregon. After that, I can come down here, I can click on the availability zones, and I can choose one of them. Now, since I'm only running a single instance, this isn't really important, so we'll just leave it at the default. Next, we're going to come down, and we're going to choose the Windows operating system. So I'm going to run Windows Server 2016. Next, we'll scroll down, and we can optionally add a launch script here. A launch script is a PowerShell script that runs the very first time an instance is booted up. So you could use PowerShell to install software, configure system settings. Virtually anything you could do with PowerShell you could do here in this script. It will only run the very first time the instance is booted up. So now we'll come down and we'll choose our instance size. Now, instance sizes are based on the amount of CPU, the amount of RAM, the size of the disk, and how much network transfer you get. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do a fairly large instance. I'm going to select the $70 instance size here so I have enough RAM and CPU. Okay, so now we're going to come down and we're going to name the instance. So I'm just going to clear this out. I'm going to type in Windows Instance, and that's great. Now, the last thing we can do here is we can add a tag to our instance. A tag is a way to sort and organize resources. So for instance, if I wanted a way to easily identify all of my machines running the operating system Windows, I could type in OS here for the key, and then I can give it a value. And in the future, I could go in and search by that value or sort by that value, and it's just a way for me to organize all of those resources. So with that set, I'll click Create Instance, and that'll get the Windows instance off and creating. It's going to take a couple of minutes, so let's just wait for that to finish. Our instance is now up and running, so let me show you how to connect to it. I'm going to come up and I'm going to click on this connection icon here, and what that's going to do is it's going to start an RDP session in the browser. So RDP is the Remote Desktop Protocol. It's the protocol used to connect remotely to Windows servers. So here, you now have full control over the Windows instance. Install software, make system updates, anything you would do at a local keyboard, you can now do remotely. And that's it. That's how easy it is to create a Windows instance with Amazon Lightsail.